Grace!
Hey! Ow!
Yay! Grace, smile for Mama! Grace, 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 Grace! Grace, smile!
Wow! And who is that? That's not Mama. That's Mama's evil twin. Because you know the evil one always has dark hair.
Here we go. You ready, Dad?
Ready.
How are we going to do this? Here we go. I'm still a little small for this.
Whee!
Yay! Say yay! Whoa! Oh,
It's okay.
that's just me. You're tired. Come here. Look at Mama. Grace. Come here. See me.
Hi.
Hello. Hello. Hello, Grace. What you doing? Come here. Come crawl through here to me. Come here. Hey, Grace. What you doing? Grace. What you doing? Hey, come here. You don't crawl through. Look. Grace. She didn't quite forget that yet. Oh well, here I am. Here I am. Come here. You want to go back up? Come here. Oh, goodness. Look at you.
On top of the world!
Yay. You want to go down the slide? Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Alright, say goodnight, Gracie.